I will show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card or Roblox balance code in just a few seconds so you can spend the balance on any in-game experience or Robux or whatever you want. So this is very easy. What you need to do is go to roblox.com/redeem. You can see right here, or you can also click right here and you will see redeem Roblox codes. So you can also click there and it will bring you to the same page. And then you will be at this page where you can redeem Roblox codes. So you need to get your Roblox code and type it right here. In my case, this is my code, so I just put it right here. Then you need to mark this checkbox right here, and now you can click on redeem. It will take a few seconds to load and check the code you just entered. And now, as you can see, my code has been successfully redeemed. And now 10 euros, because in my case I had purchased a 10 euro gift card, it will be added to my available credit. And now I also got a special item, which in this case are those golden party balloons. So now I can equip my avatar or go back to redeem. Now, as you can see, I have 10 euro right here. It appears at the right of the Robux, and it also appears here. Available credit 10 euros. And now with this money, I can get premium, I can get Robux, or I can also purchase some in-game items, like for example on Please Donate, you can purchase VIP, your credit. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.